Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has added 7.1% to the last session. The MACD moved sharply into the positive zone. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has slightly diminished into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator transitioned into the positive area. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The CCI transitioned sharply into the negative zone.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Samsung Electronics is considering 2 sites in Arizona and another one in New York, in addition to Austin, Texas, for a new $17 billion chip plant, according to documents filed with Texas state officials. Britain will modernize its listing rules to attract more high-growth and blank check SPAC company flotations to London, after a government review said the capital was on the back foot after Brexit. China powered its way out of the coronavirus lockdown of 2020, becoming the only major economy in the world to grow last year, and its share of global output increased at the fastest pace in decades.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 10:00 GMT, the UK's market construction PMI at 9:30 GMT, Australia's retail sales at 0:30 GMT. Japan's JP Foreign Reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT, Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.